In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to a WordPress website. We'll be working inside the WordPress dashboard, and the process is very simple once you know where everything is. If you're new to WordPress, don't worry. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and add an image to one of your pages without confusion. First, go to your WordPress site and open the dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage your website content, including pages, posts, media, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on it. This section shows all the pages currently on your site, such as your home page, about page, contact page, or any other page you've already created. Next, select the page where you want to place the image. Once you've found the correct page, click Edit to open it in the WordPress's editor. This is where you can change the page content and add new elements. Now that you're in the editor, click on Add Blocks. In WordPress, blocks are the building pieces used to create content on a page. Text, headings, images, buttons, and more are all added as blocks. After opening the block menu, use the search bar and type image. This helps you quickly find the exact block you need instead of scrolling through all available options. When the image block appears, click on Image to insert it into the page. You'll then see options for adding your image. Choose Upload. If the image is saved on your computer and not already in your WordPress media library, this will open your computer's file browser. From there, select the image you want to use. It's a good idea to choose a clear, high-quality image that fits the purpose of the page. Once you've selected the correct file, click Open. WordPress will upload the image and place it directly into the page where your block was added. At this point, the image should appear in the editor, and you can continue adjusting your page as needed. If you want the page to look clean and professional, make sure the image matches the surrounding content and isn't too large or out of place visually. That's it. You've successfully added an image to a WordPress page. As you get more comfortable with the editor, this process will become very quick and easy. Follow these same steps anytime you want to enhance a page with visual content.